I'm at Angel Cottage today, and the property itself is very close to the town centre, easy walking distance to everything you could wish for in a town. It's also a listed cottage. It's very pretty, there's lots and lots of character throughout. It is laid out over 3 levels and there are 3 bedrooms. It's very interesting property, and once you've watched the video I'm sure you'll want to book a viewing. The garden is a series of levels, and there is a level area near to a home office which you could use. It's got the electric and power and everything in there, and the garden itself is planted with some very interesting plants and lots of established trees. So if you like that sort of thing and you want to find out more, look at the video, then call the office and book a viewing. Thank you.